What are you looking for?
Clues.
What do you mean?
Walter came back from New York yesterday. Said he's gonna leave the company.
He did what? Why?
He didn't say. He just muttered something about betrayal and then went straight upstairs to phone Roy, and
My Roy?
they were gonna discuss some idea that Walt had on the way back.
I thought you said he was asleep.
He was. Oh, Edna, help me. I've gotta figure out what he's planning.
Don't worry, we'll figure this out. What should I be looking for?
I have no idea. Just a clue, anything out of the ordinary.
All right. Lily, look! I found something. Here. Do you think it'll work like he thinks it will?
Maybe. The name is too formal, though. Here. There. Nikki's a much better name for a mouse.